So friends, let us solve one question from GATE 2000, which is mathematical question, and that question based on Dirac function. And after knowing the Dirac function property, we all will be able to solve the question. So let us try that question. That question is given. Let us see. Question: the Dirac delta function delta of x can be represented by. That means that question is saying from these four options which is representing the Dirac delta function. That means what is that means? Let us see. First, let us know what is the Dirac delta function and how it works. Dirac delta, as we know, Dirac delta uh, can be thought of as a function on the real line, which is zero everywhere except at the origin, mm, where it is infinite. It is saying that Dirac delta function will be infinite at x is equal to 0 if delta of x is like this, and is at x is not equal to 0, it will be 0. That means it is saying delta of x minus 0, that is delta of x minus 0. That means here x naught is equal to 0. That implies at x is equal to 0, it will be infinite, and other else, that means except 0 everywhere the Dirac delta function will be 0. That means a Dirac delta function showing a sharp peak at x is equal to 0. That means like this. If we draw a Dirac delta function, and this is the origin, and that is f of x, that is function, like this Dirac delta function. Okay, this is Dirac delta function, and it's one of the properties delta of x. If we integrate the Dirac delta function whole over space, then you will get 1. Using this property, let us solve these options. Okay, from option A, it is given that 1 by pi limit n tends to 0 sine of nx by x. So how can you solve this? We can solve this by limit n tends to 0. Let us multiply 1n and divide 1n, and that is representing one of the property that we know from class 12th, that is limit n tends to 0 sin nx by nx, that will be 1, as you know. So this will be n by pi, this and that is not equal to 1. Okay, so this option is discarded. That means okay, then option B, what is showing that 1 by pi limit it tends to 0 e by x square plus e square. Okay, uh, it can be solved by using integration, that its integration will be tan inverse x by a. Okay, that 1 by pi limit it tends to 0 tan inverse x by a here a is e. So if you use the limit, then that will be 1 by pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2. So this will be 1. So it will be this, that represent the Dirac delta function will be 1. So its integration is also 1. So it will match. And what about other two options? Let us see. That other two option will be 1 one of them will be, this is showing the Gaussian function. So it will be integrated by using gamma function, as you know, gamma function. So by using gamma function, this will give some values other than 1, so it will be discarded. And like this option D, that is given exponential of iota something. So this will also give some finite value except 1. So this will be discarded, and this is also discarded. So option B will be our correct answer. So uh, our problem is solved. Thank you.